trying. Are you trying to howl? Are you going to try to howl? Ooh. Ooh.
That was confusing you, wasn't it?
Available now everywhere. They have names like Idle Time Books and Panther Coffee, with free enterprise puns like Hue and Cry and Smash Records. And one Saturday a year, small businesses remind the nation of the benefits of shopping small. Like the way David Kaplan at Shell Lumber shows you how to use a chop saw. Then invites you back when the warehouse becomes the community theater. Or the way Camille Rustler of Ever After travels the journey from despair to bliss with every bride-to-be.
Absolutely stunning.
On Small Business Saturday, 100 million of us joined a movement. And Main Street found its might again. And Main Street found its fight again. And we, the locals, found delight again. That's the power of all of us.
That's the power of all of us.
That's the power of all of us. That's the membership effect of American Express.
Good boy.